Hello, Mario! In this video 27, floor plan 19, the floor plan finale. Gonna try and go for gold and get the floor plan completed here. All that remains to do is to fill in the plan form. So since I've seen you last, I've completed all of the dimensions, and I've also added this little section line through here, which is pretty easy to draw. Just a circle, some letters inside there, nothing too strenuous there. However, if you find it need some help with it, just let me know and I can create a video. Alright, so yeah, just that's everything sort of done there. All we need now is to complete the floor plans here. So we could do some notes. These are sort of done, so I'll just do these, just give you the ideas here. So notes, this would be text, multi-line text, and we'll be working in paper space in here, multi-line text. So and we'll just multi-line text. So we just put a little, essentially a little box in here with our text in it, and then we just start typing one. So if we want bullets and numbering, we'll go with that one. Bulleted. Yeah, bulleted. There we go. So, oh, no we don't. We want bullets and numbering. We want numbered. Okay, so number one, check, and then all, so we just do Control B, all, Control B, turn it off, check all dimensions, on site before commencing work, on site before commencing work. Hopefully that's what it says. Oh, C-O-M-M-E-N, commencing, or dimensions on site before commencing work. 2, and then a second note here. This drawing is to be read in conjunction with the specification disclaimers, wonderful things, and other relevant documents, and any other notes that you might want to add. Any documents. Yeah, all done. Cool. Okay, check all dimensions on site. Yep, drawing is read in conjunction with the specification. Yeah, so pretty straightforward. Like that. Project title. Okay. Again, I can use the multi-line text. Boom, in here like this. Put it in here. Okay. So what are we calling this? Basic 2D CAD. Basic. In caps and bold. Control B. Basic 2D CAD. Oh, no. What happened there? I was typing like there was no tomorrow. Oh yes. Caps. Basic 2D CAD. I might want that to be, oh, I don't know, 4, height of 4, not 100 anyway. of 4. Okay, and I'll just put that in the middle. Yeah, there we go, basic 2D CAD. And let's go do a couple of lines, turn off the bold, the Acme 3-bedroom, 3-bedroom solution. Okay, yeah, all done. Cool, not a problem. Drawn by, I can probably do this single line text here, single line, and it's drawn by me, Mario. M-A-U-R, oops, M-A-U-R-I-E-O. Has it got all the vowels? Yes, it has. Okay, so we can put that in there. Checked by my good friend, Rank Xerox. Rank checks all my plans for me. Rank, good old Rank Xerox, yes. Been around for a few years now. Best plan checker ever. Drawing title is floor plan. So again, yeah, you might want to, yeah, because if you want to make it bold, of course, you've got to use the, what's the name text, the multi-line text. So, yeah, okay, floor plan, FL, floor, caps lock, FL, floor plan, Control A, selects it all. That makes it bold. That makes it 4 high. And you can just maneuver that. Move. Just bang it anywhere. Turn off your ortho. Floor plan. Oh, looks nice about there. The graphic scale, I'll come back and draw that a bit later. Date in here, the date, what's today's date, I suppose. Text, single line for the date. Turn on the ortho, right there, okay. Oh well, today's date is the 22nd of July 2016. There we go. Now the LACS number, this is a number that relates where it's sort of a sheet numbering system, and it follows a set of rules, so it's a sort of universal sheet numbering system. L stands for location drawings, so they come first. They might be your site plans, sections, elevations, that sort of thing, floor plans, clearly. The next lot of plans is the A, which stands for assembly drawings, and they're the various details and things that are required for assembly. C is component drawings, so that might be for your joinery in the kitchen and bathroom and that sort of thing. And finally, S for schedules, which might be window finishes and doors and that type of thing. So yeah, that's the LACS system. So this drawing here is a location drawing, and we're just going to call it L01, and we're going to make it just a bit bigger than that. So let's just select it and make that, I don't know, make it 4 high, just for a bit of fun. Okay, and put it sort of where we want it, approximately. Maybe turn the ortho off there, and put that there like that. Okay, and then the scale, at A2. In this case it's 1 to 50, and I'm going to have that sort of something like that. So I'm just going to go CP, just CP, enter. I'm just going to use my base pointers there, and then I'll copy it there and there, like that, and then I'm just going to change these to 1 to 50. Okay, and then this one here is obviously the sheet, and it's it's going to be sheet 1 of 3. Okay, so let's make those slightly bigger. So there you go, sheet number, and that's that done. Now we've just got to do the graphical scale. I'm up at 10 minutes. Probably won't hurt to do the graphical scale here. Let's just right, so let's just draw now this, I haven't, for all this text and stuff, it's all been in floor plans dimensions, which is not really where it should be. It's all selected there, drawn by, oh well, what's this layer here? What's that? All A2 template text. Probably not going to hurt there what particular layer it is in this case here, seeing it is in paper space. So yeah, we'll just leave it where it is. Can be changed at a later date if it becomes a problem, but shouldn't be. So let's just draw a line here. So I'm just going to draw a line through here, turn on the ortho like that, and I'm probably just going to go with it. I'll just go offset, enter, 2 millimeters. Remember, in paper space everything's in millimeters. So there's our graphic scale. It's possibly a little bit, I think that might be a little bit too much, perhaps. I'll leave it like that. So just go line here. So now the graphical scale, 1 to 50 is 1 to 50 is 1 millimeter equals 50 millimeters, and so we've got our little thing there, 1 millimeter. So we're going to go 2 millimeters, and that will give us 100 mils. So let's just go offset, enter, and we've actually got it set at 2. So offset, enter, enter, and then we just go bang, 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 bang. And yeah, I think I actually want to just have my graphical scale 1 millimeter there. So I'm just going to go TR, enter, and trim all that out of there. Oh, it's not working so good. TR, enter. It's going to trim all that stuff out of there. That's good. And I'm going to move that there up to the middle. Move. Like so. And okay, continue with the offset, enter, enter, and it's like 2 millimeters. That's, each one of those is 100 mils. So you just label them up, perhaps every 500 as you go through. Not too difficult. You might want to just knock the text down on the graphical scale to maybe 1.8 or 1.5, just for the numbering, and yeah, and that's it. Then just obviously drew a hatch in there, a solid hatch there. Just, you can keep going like There's your hatch going in there like that. Okay, and then you can number and letter that up, get that all going through. So I'll maybe complete that for next time when we move on. Obviously time's running out, and then we can just put some little lines and some text by each one, not too hard, and then put a scale 1 to 50 at A2. We need to show what that graphical scale is, so I can possibly put that in there just so that you don't forget. So what do we got there? Graphical scale 1 to 50, 1 to 50, and it's 1 to 50 at A2. Okay, so yeah, it's there. So that's just to assist people, and you can see that we'd put in the 0 and the 500, 1,000, and what have you on the example. So we'll get that all up there and ready for you, and the graphical scale in there like that. There is one other little thing that we need to put in here, I think. I'll just go back to my other example here. That one there. It's not going so good for some reason. I don't know what's gone awry here. Something's not quite going how it should. I can't get back to my diagram. It's just not good. Here we go here. And this is all done here, but if I go... Okay, there's a little thing that's missing off this one here. As I try to get back to my other plan, oh, here it is here. No, it won't. Just refuses to show up for some unknown reason. Okay, so we've got to get that sorted out. But there's a little section thing that we've got to put in there, which I'll draw to your attention as time goes on. So there you go. We've spent a little bit of time over the 10 minutes that I'm aiming for on this one, but that's got the diagram all pretty much filled in. There's a few little things to tidy up there, and there's a little section thing, A, B, C, D thing that I've got in paper space that I can't quite seem to locate on my other plan at this point in time. But there you go. That's our floor plan finished, and we're going to now make a start on doing some elevations. So I'm going to have a bit of a go at elevations slightly differently to what I have done previously. Have a try at a few things, and we'll see where that takes us. So all good. Cheers. See you.